Hi guys, I'm just going to quickly explain to you what we mean by homophones. Alright, so I've given you all one of these handouts in your worksheet package. So you need to have a look at this because it explains to you very nicely what a homophone is. So if you have a look at these two little smiley faces, they kind of look the same, but they're not quite the same. All right, and that is the same thing with homophones, because if you have a look here, he says, "Hi, I'm Mr. Right." All right, look how you spell his surname, and then he says, "Hi, I'm Mr. Right." So if you listen to how their surnames sound, they both sound exactly the same, but they look a bit different. All right, in other words, the spelling is different. So that's what homophones are. All right, they're words that sound the same, but they are spelled differently. All right, homophones are words that sound the same, but are not spelled the same and don't mean the same thing. They have different meanings. All right, so that's what a homophone is. And we've probably come across a lot of homophones, all right, since you've been at school, all right? We do the two there's, the there and the there, all right? There's lots and lots of homophones in this world. So what I want you to do for your sentences today, you're going to choose 5 pairs of homophones. 5 pairs, okay? That means 10 altogether. And write a sentence for each homophone. So have a look at the example. Here is your first sentence or first example. All right. So I've chosen the homophone one and one, okay? And you got to put each one of those in a sentence of their own. I won the game. I have one best friend. All right. So put in each one of those homophones in a sentence. So because you're doing 5 pairs, you're going to end up with 10 separate sentences. All right. And if you're stuck on what homophones to use, I did send home this list here, which you can make use of. I don't mind. Please just don't copy the sentences that they've given you. I want you to put them in a sentence of your own. All right, but you may certainly use this. If you can think of your own homophones, then by all means go ahead and use those. You don't have to use those in the list, but do be careful. I want you to make careful, extra sure that the words that you use are spelled differently. All right, they have to be spelled differently. If you're using words that are spelled the same, then you're not actually using homophones. You're most probably using something else called a homonym. All right, and we will get to do those, but for now we are doing homophones. All right, so just to recap, we're going to be doing homophones in the book, and you're doing 5 pairs, all right? And you're going to put each one of those homophones in a sentence of its own. So you're going to end up with 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 sentences all together.